So we made it to the Beach Club Resort and Spa in Gulf Shores, Alabama. So we're technically out here in Fort Morgan, Gulf Shores, Fort Morgan. We're on the road that goes from Gulf Shores to Fort Morgan. We are in Doral, D as in David, a unit number 604. So we thought we'd give you a tour of this and show you what it's like. So we love the Beach Club. Here's the kitchen. We have a full kitchen. We have a dishwasher, a stove, a microwave. There's a toaster. And here's some of the things. I mean, you have a whole bunch of pots and pans down here. I mean, about anything you could imagine there. And over here, here's, plates. I mean, actual plates are in here. So, and here's the thing. Each unit is going to be a little different. But most of them have all like these basic types of things. But as far as plates and dishes and cups and, I mean, they've got you covered about every which way. We have no complaints. And we do have a fridge, has an ice machine of water, and a stackable washer and dryer here. So this, we haven't unpacked and gotten moved in here yet. So they have, as you can tell, carts, grocery carts to put all your stuff in as you're moving in. So this particular unit does have 2 bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. It looks nice. And then there's a bathroom right here that goes with this bedroom, which I think would classify as a second bedroom. Wouldn't you say that's what that is? I think the second bedroom is what that would be.
Yeah, the master's got a...
Yeah, because the master's over here. So here we have, there's a couple bar stools here, and then a table with some chairs and nice seating area. Actually, quite a bit of seating here.
Yep.
In here, and a nice TV, nice and big. We got a game to watch tonight. And here's the master. And I don't know about you, but dang, this view here, that is, I mean, just incredible.
Yeah, this is just the 6th floor, so. But you still got a nice view.
Yeah, absolutely incredible. And this is the master bedroom. It has a king bed. Nice
that closet over there.
Yeah. Let's see the closet here. You've got, yeah. And over here we've got the master bath. A nice little sitting area, sink, a separate sink, another sink, and then the shower, standard tub and shower. But the Beach Club, one of the things that we really like about this place is it's not in the midst of the busy area in Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. So if you're wanting a more secluded place to stay, this would be a fantastic place for you.
All right, well, here's your balcony. Getting close to sunset here. So they've got, what, 5 swimming pools out here?
No, there's...
Here. Yeah, there's...
I think 3 and then the main one.
Well, there's one for each tower, so that's 4. And then there's one there at the health club. That's 5. There's 4 towers, right?
I'm not sure that you still.
And then there's a hot tub.
Pool, do they?
Hot tub for
Maybe
each tower? Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I have to look.
And then you got all this beach. And you got these nice boardwalks to get out to it. No, we really love it out here. And each one of these units has, a little different furniture out here.
Then we have some sausage to
Yep.
call meat market. Obviously was not available. Here we go.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes.
This is always interesting. You never know what you're going to have for utensils. It doesn't bounce very far. Are the green balls better?
I think so.
Do we have those along?
Oh, good one.
Okay, so we're getting ready to leave Doral 604 at the Beach Club Resort and Spa in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Now, we wanted to tell you some things that we really loved about our unit. What did you really like about it?
Everything. This.
The view?
Yeah.
So the view, I mean, any unit here has a view.
Yep, and we're on the 6th floor, so we're not as high as we usually are, but this, I don't mind it. We're above the trees. So.
Yeah, so, yeah. What I really liked there's a swivel rocking chair in this unit that for some reason
Oh, really?
I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, I like that. I like the seating area. You thought there was too much furniture in the seating area?
Yeah, they're.
But I liked it.
That's just
Yeah, I liked it. But yeah, a full kitchen. It is a 2-bedroom unit and 2 full baths. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So.
Yeah, and the mattresses. I like.
Oh yeah, the mattresses here are amazing. I'm just telling you.
Firm, but.
Yeah, and they actually have good pillows.
It's not hard.
Pillows is becoming a thing of mine in travel, and they have really good pillows here.
Pillows.
If there's one thing about Unit 604 that is there anything you'd change?
Can't think of it off.
Well, it's on floor 6, and I think that's a personal preference.
Yeah.
Some people don't like being the height. So keep that in mind when you're reserving your room at the beach club, because there's unit. Look at how high up you want to be. I mean, take that into consideration. I think that's kind of an important thing. So you maybe like ground level, maybe you don't. But if you are in probably 3 or 4, you might have some trees. You might have some palm trees right there, but maybe you want to see palm trees.
Well, there's a huge opening right here. I mean, I guess maybe it wouldn't even be a factor. I guess
Well,
we've never
there,
encountered
there
it.
are some trees right down here.
Yeah, so there's
There are a few trees down here.
trees. It's not
But
bad.
my opinion, there's not a bad room here.